Hi, my name is Ishmael Sukar, and I work with the NJDEP Bureau of Freshwater and Biological Monitoring. This is part one of a three-part video series where we're going to show you guys how to report a HAB, collect site surveys, and submit these results to the NJDEP. In part one, what we're going to be talking to you guys about is we're going to show you guys how to report a HAB and collect photographs and information to submit to the DEP. This video can be used by both the public and local and state agencies. All you'll need to report a HAB is a smartphone. Site coordinates, photos, and observations can be collected and submitted via a cell phone using the Survey 123 reporting application that is part of the DEP HAB interactive map reporting and communication system. Each site on the water body will require a unique Survey 123 submission. Photos are important because we use them to determine if what you're seeing is a HAB or if it's some kind of other aquatic vegetation, like duckweed. The photos of these other kinds of aquatic vegetation are provided on the survey that will allow you to compare your own photographs to these other kinds of aquatic vegetation. The first photograph we want a photograph that shows at least 60 feet of shoreline. So we're gonna like that. The second type of photograph we want a photograph that shows the middle of the lake. We want to know how far into the lake the bloom has spread. The third type of photograph we want a picture where the camera is pointed straight down into the surface of the water. So just like that. The fourth type of photograph we want a photograph that shows the beach area if it is present. The fifth photograph you'll need for the survey is any kind of public access point, such as a fishing pier or a boat launch. After you take and upload the photos, you will complete the rest of the survey and click Submit. If you're not comfortable submitting the survey on your smartphone, or if you don't have a smartphone, you can also use a tablet, you can use a computer, you can use a laptop. Just take photos with your phone or camera and attach them to the survey before you send it to DEP. Your information will be emailed directly to the Bureau of Freshwater and Biological Monitoring. We will assess the information, and if it does appear that a suspected HAB is present, we will deploy sampling staff as soon as possible. Sampling results will be posted on our interactive map as soon as they are available, usually in 2 to 3 business days. Alert levels based on these results will appear as a colored dot on the map. The HAB report website on your computer or even on your phone, you just have to search NJDEP HABs on Google, and it should be the first result. Then you're going to press Report a HAB, and you're going to press it again, Report a HAB, and then it should start loading up the survey. Again, this guide is for computers and for phones. So you're going to write down the date. Today's date is the 15th. When you get to this portion, you don't have to manually choose where your lake is. You can actually just press find this little circle right here, find a location, and then sometimes your computer or your phone will ask you to allow it, so just press allow. And we're right here right now, so this is the location we're at. Make sure it has you at the right location. If for whatever reason it's not at the location you sampled, you can also just use your mouse and press the exact location that you're at. So again, you're going to write down the name of the park you were at. So example, we were sampling at Rosedale today, so make sure you write Rosedale Lake. You're not going to write just Rosedale. You're going to write down Rosedale Lake. Where on the water body do you see the bloom? You would say where you saw it. So example, if it was on the shoreline, that means you only saw the HAB along the shore, you press shoreline. If you saw it sort of in the middle of the water, but you didn't see it on the shoreline, then you're going to write down main body. If you saw it in both areas, or it's extending from the shoreline into the middle, then you're going to write down both. So the closest street address, the closest road to you, just write down that road. So example, Federal City Road was the closest road to the HAB. Municipality, you're going to write down Pennington, and then county is Mercer, and then you're going to go through these pictures and tell us if if your HAB looks similar to these pictures. This is to tell us, if is it a HAB or is it maybe just something else. So example, pea soup, spilled paint, green streaks, a large concentration of green dots or green foam are all indicative of HABs. So just choose the one that looks most like your HAB. You can also select multiple if it looks like in between two, then you would do that. And then if it looks like something else completely, there's another option. For the size of the bloom, we want you to tell us how much of the lake area, in your opinion, is it filling. For example, if it's only a small localized area, first that. If it's spread throughout the lake, you're going to write widespread, and then if you're not sure what to write, then you write unknown. After you complete the rest of the survey, click Submit.